Good afternoon, this is Andrew from Lexus of Kelowna. Nice to meet you. Here's the video I wanted to make for you on the 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport that we were talking about. First thing I'd like to obviously have a look at here is the windshield. No cracks, chips, anything like that. Windshield's in perfect condition. This hood is borderline flawless in terms of there's no cracks, chips, marks, anything like that from any rock chips or anything like that coming up. Having a look at the front here, again, really good condition. Previous owner took really good care of this car, and you can definitely tell. One minor little chip right there. Coming along the side here. Rims and tires, really good shape there. No curbing or anything on this rim. Set of Dunlops on here. These are mud and snow rated, so good for traveling on any of the major highways in BC here. Coming along the driver's side here, you see it has the full-size cab here, right? So two big doors, easy to get in and out of the back. Again, rim and tire back here, really good shape. You have the nice tri-fold cover here. It does have the hitch on it as well down here. So again, nice big bay there. Again, this rim and tire here, no damage or anything on that. So this is, like I said, this is an almost flawless car for being 3 years old now. What I'll do for you here, Chris, I'll hop in so you can see the inside. One thing I want to just point out, just the little hood scoop on there, that's part of the TRD Sport edition. Just makes it look that much better. So here's the back here, all leather seats in here, and you do have the all-weather mats as well down here, so lots of room in the back seat here. Power windows here in the back as well, power locks. I'll hop in here for you so you can, I'll start the engine so you can get a true sense of the K on this car. So 87,250 is the current odometer reading. Obviously you got your fog lamps up here, you got Bluetooth controls over here, stereo volume controls here as well. Up here you can pair your phone so you can do your music, podcast, whatever you want to. Obviously your gear shift down here, heated seats, and there's your USB as well. Your temperature and fan controls up here. High 2, high 4, low 4 as well, so in case you're doing any off-roading, anything like that. And then you just got a couple sunglass holders up here. Or garage door holders, whatever you want to put in there. And then here's the back of the truck as well. So Chris, like I said, this truck's in phenomenal shape. This would be a great decision for you if this checks all the boxes for you. So I'll send this to you. Let me know if you have any questions on that, and hopefully we can make this work. Thanks a lot, Chris. Take care. Bye now.